This truck, I think it's really going to show that, we really like to take things to full extent whenever we're doing something, so long as, the customer and time allows. And they're, for instance, for, tearing this thing down to the point that we're doing it to really show our craftsmanship and our pride in it versus just putting a wrap on it that everybody can do. We really took the extra time and extra steps to put something out there that you're not going to pull up next to at the next light.
The F450 to me, it's just it's a showcase. It's going to be, what we can do here. We build we can lower trucks, we can lift trucks, we can paint them. But this one, it's going to take it to a whole new level. It's either going to make you mad or you're going to love it. One of the two.